Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a question 9, a radioactive isotope of carbon C640. Select the row in the table that correctly identifies a neutral atom of this isotope. The C614, the mass number is A, the number of protons is Z, the number of neutrons simplified by N. The formula is A equals Z plus N. The 14 for the mass number, the number of protons inside the nucleus, which is 6, and plus N. So the N as the neutrons number, 14 minus 6 equals 8. So the number of neutrons should be 8, number of protons 6, and number of electrons should be 6 in the case of the neutral atom. The number of protons must be equal to the number of electrons. The correct answer, question 9, is D. See you next video.